Hey human, Vlog Life has been a journey. I'm Abraxan Evelyn, the beauty chick. Welcome to my channel. Life is a journey. It has a beginning, it also has an end. Vlog Life is a venture a couple of YouTubers and I pushed ourselves to hop on. It's been an adventure. And this vlog today is a vlog of appreciation. Just like life, from just moving from one place to the other, you need a means of transportation. Some transportations make travel very, very easy, while some can be a drag. Life is a journey. In this journey, you make mistakes, you have wins, and it just sums up the totality of what life is. So, I am sure in this life's journey or my YouTube journey, I've made one or two mistakes. Hey, I'm a work in progress. I hope you have enjoyed Vlog Life so far. Generally, I will love it if you really find value on my channel. That is the reason why the Beauty Food Chick exists, so that I can give value to you, my dear human. So, as Vlog Life winds down, it's been through one tunnel or the other, just like life. Life takes you through ups and downs. You have wins, you have losses, but hey, it is part of life. And in life, you don't go through life's journey alone. You need people. Because it is with people that you will learn about your mistakes. Life takes you up the hill and down the hill. But like I said, you need people. Don't walk alone. Find good people in your circle. They are there. You just probably haven't found them. Do not forget, life is a journey. What is your means of transportation in life's journey? Are you a loner or you walk with people? What's your means of transportation? Is it fast? Is it slow? Don't be a loner. Do not be a loner. God has created this world and made it magnificent. And in its magnificence, there are humans. Do not be a loner. Do not walk alone. Find people in your circle that will make this journey called life a beautiful one. I have found my circle and I bless God for it. You may want to like this video. Leave me a comment. What did you think about this video? And please consider subscribing, because I need you in my life. We all need each other to make life happen for each other. We need each other. Don't walk alone. Do not walk alone. Sometimes though, the road can be lonely, but don't walk alone. God is somewhere pushing you and telling you, you've got this. And I am here saying, sometimes it's okay to move to the right so that others can have access to things that you're benefiting in life. What do you think about this? Am I making sense or not? Life is a journey. Do not forget that. Sometimes the journey is fast. Sometimes it is slow. Sometimes it is lonely. And sometimes you have company. Life is a journey. What you put in it matters a lot. Your circle matters a lot. Don't walk alone. Do not walk alone. And of course, why go to a mall and not pick something? At least something, guys. I have done so well. And I thought, hey, the beautiful chick, you deserve something. Life is a journey. Feel free to throw accolades to yourself. It's okay. It is absolutely okay. Sometimes you feed your eyes. Sometimes you make that purchase, but do not work alone. Life is a journey, and we need each other. Sometimes it's not in much that we show how much we care about the other person. Life is a journey. How is your journey? Is your journey tough? Is it hard? Do you have people in your circle? Are you lonely in this journey? Do you have things that beautify your life? I know that God never changes. So, in spite of the twists and turns, in spite of the rejections from people, because God is there, it feels like you're not walking alone. Sometimes it is colorful, sometimes it is just dull. But knowing that God is working with you on this journey makes it a beautiful journey. Life is a journey. Twists and turns are okay. It creates the balance. See you in my next video. I love you.